Hello, dear student. Good morning. Today's our topic is comparison of integers. Means we need to compare the numbers. Which number is larger, which number is smaller. There are the few rules, and with the help of these rules, you can easily identify which number is greater, which number is smaller. See, number are compared accordingly to number of digits. Number of digits. Okay. And position of digits. A number having more digit than the other is greater. Means you count here digit and here you count digit. If the number which having the more digit, then you see the number is greater. Suppose I write 1000 and in this side I write 100. So you see in 100 there are the 3 digit, in 1000 there are the 4 digit. It means we definitely sure that 1000 is greater than 100. Okay. I have right here 1000 and here I have right 100. Which number is greater? This number. Why this greater? Because you see here 4 digit, here 3 digit. Simple. The number which having more digit, the number is greater. Okay. Similarly here you count here 2 to 4 to 6 plus 3 9 digit. Here 2 to 4 to 6 and to 8 digit. Total 8 digit here. Here 8 digit, here 9 digit. It means this number having the more digit. If this having the more digit, it means this number is greater. Okay, so we have to open the mouth of this arrow in this side and we have arrowhead mark to the smaller side. Okay, now the next rule. Sorry, next. If the number of digits are same, means here the number of digit we count, here number of digit count. If we found the both number are having the digit same, then what we will do? Then we have to just compare left side digit, just leftmost digit. On the left, this is your right hand, this is your left side. On the left side, what is here? 4, and in left side here, what is 3? First you count here how many digit? 2 to 4 plus 3 7, 2 to 4 to 6. Okay, there is a one digit is missing. I think 1 minute again we count 2 to 4 plus 3 7, 2 to 4. Okay, here one digit missed, so I write here suppose this. Okay, now this is number. Okay, now see, digit both are having the numbers are same, but see the left digit whose number is greater? This number. It means this number is greater. If this greater, we have to mark the greatest number towards this number. Okay. Next, if the leftmost digit are also the same, means we will get the left digit same. Then what we will? Then we will move on the next place. Means next place means second last digit. Again we will move in the second left. Similarly and so on. Okay. If we will get on the leftmost digits are same. Okay. So see here the leftmost digit is same here and here. And count digits how many? 2 to 4 plus 3 7, 2 to 4 plus 3 7 digit. 7 digit in the both side. And we have got it here the leftmost digit also same. But how we compare now number which is greater, which is small? Now we will come on the next second left digit. What is the next second left digit here? 6. And here what is next second left digit? 4. So you see here is 74, here is 76. Which is greater? 76 obviously. And similarly you can say 6 greater than 4. It means this number is greater. Okay. Now we are coming to exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, we have to just put the sign greater or smaller. These sign are greater or smaller. We check the number which is greater, which is smaller. See, first you count here digit 3 and 3 6, 3 and 3 6. Digits are same. If I told you if digits are same, then what we will do? We just find the leftmost digit. You see here the leftmost digit till here, and similarly till here. In the both number digits are same, but after that what is written here? 61, and there is written 35. It means which number is greater? This. Obviously this is greater. And to the greater number side we have to open the mouth of the symbol. Similarly here in the B part, you see here 115. These three digits and these three digits are same. Before this you have to compare the number of digits. 3 and 3 6, 3 and 3 6. The digits are same. We have checked the leftmost number. Starting 3 digits are same, but after that you note here the 8 and here is 7. Which number is greater? 8 means this number is greater. Simple. I think now all the parts you can do. Now we are coming on the second question. Find the greatest number. The A part. What is the A part? 2 6 3 2 5 1 0. First we count here the number of digits because we need to find greatest number. Okay, 3 digit plus 3 6 plus 2 8 digit. Okay, 3 3 6 8 3 3 6 8 8 digit. Okay, now we will check leftmost digit 2 2 2. Okay, again we can't determine. Next, you see here the digit is 5 and here digit is 6, here digit is 6. It means this number is smaller. Now we compare these two numbers. Here you see what is written 263 in starting, here is written in starting 265. It means which number is greater? This number is greater. If this greater and we have found it is a smaller number, it means this is the greatest number. This is the greatest number here. Okay. Just we need to find greatest number. We don't need to arrange the number which is smaller, which is this is. We have found out. Okay. Next. This one we have to check. Here you see 330 written in the starting. First you count the digit. Now always you check in the starting number of digits. Here you see 3 3 6 to 8 digit, 3 3 6 to 8 digit, 3 3 6 to 8 digit. Okay. These all three numbers are having the same number of digits. It means we have to compare just now leftmost digit. Leftmost digit number. Here you see 332. This is a smaller. This is smaller. Okay. Now we check these only two. You see here 330 written. Here what is written? 320. It means which is the greater? This one is greater. If this one is greater, and you know that this is a very small number, it means obviously this is the greatest number. Which is the greatest number? This is. Okay. How much it is written? Can read it. 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Is 3 crore, 30 lakh, 30,000, 400. Okay, here is written 3 lakh 20. 3 crore 20 lakh 30,400. Here is written 2 crore 30 lakh 30,000, and I think there is written 400. Now next question number 3. Find the smallest number. Smallest number. Okay. First you count digits. 3 3 6 3 3 6 3 3 6. Digits are having the A part same. Now we check the leftmost digit. The number which having the leftmost digit is smaller, the number is smaller. You see here the 55, 55, 58. This is the greatest. Okay, in starting here is written 55, here is written 55. These both are now looking same, but again we will check more digits. 558, 558. Here is written 5. 558 after here is written 5. Here is written 558 after 8. Now you note here the fourth last digit, means fourth leftmost digit here. This is 5 and here is 8. Which number is greater? This number is greater. This number is greater. If this greater, it means this number is smaller. This is a most smaller number, means smallest number. This is okay. Similarly, I hope these all questions you can do. In any question you are facing a problem, you inform me. Now, question number 4. Arranging ascending order. Okay. This question is a good question. See how we arrange in ascending order. First we find which is a smaller number. Ascending order means smaller number, then you write bigger than its, then you write it's bigger, then you write it's bigger. In this way you have to arrange your number. Okay. Now first you identify which is a small number. Before identifying, we count the number of digits. See here that 437, 437 and 437. These all three numbers are having the same digits. Now we will check the leftmost digit. The number which having the leftmost digit is smaller, the number is smaller, and leftmost digit is greater, the number is greater. You see here the leftmost digit is 5. It means this number is a smaller number. We have to arrange in ascending order. It means first we write a smaller number, so you give its first position. This is your first position. Now first leftmost digit here 6. You see 5 after 6. This number is larger than this. Okay, so this you give on the second position. This you write on second position, and this you write on the third position. Okay, this you write on the third position. In this way you arrange your number and place the sign like this. Okay, means first number here you write 51,09,861. Here you write, then after you write here 67,61,048. Then after you write 81,61,037. Okay, in this way you do its B part. B part is also very simple problem. Okay, now in descending order, just its reverse. Just its reverse means first we write bigger value, then we write its smaller value, then again it's smaller value. In the last you write smallest value. Okay, in this way you have to arrange. Okay, it means just you come top to down in descending order. Okay, top to down means you first find out which is the greatest number. Okay, now here we find which is the greatest number. Before finding greatest number, we first count the number of digits. Count here 437, 437, 437, 770 digits. Okay, now we check the leftmost digit. You see the leftmost digit, all the number are having 111. Same. Now we check the second last digit. Second last digit here 9, here 9, here 4. It means this is the smallest number. This is smallest number. If this is smallest number, so this comes on the third place, because here are only 3 numbers. Here are only 3 numbers. This you place on the third place. Okay. Now after that, these 2 number is left. These 2 number we find out which is a bigger. Now see, here is 19, here is 19. After that you see 1941. Okay, here 1941. Same till here. After that you say 5, you say here 7. Which number is greater? This number is greater. If this greater, okay, and this is smallest, it means this number is the greatest number here. Okay, so this number is comes on the first position. You write on the first position. Okay, then after this number is left, this number you write on second position. Okay, now which sign you place here? You see this number is the greatest number, you place this arrow and this greater sign. Okay, it means this number is the greatest number, then it's a smaller number this, then it's a smaller number is this. Okay, in this way you can arrange. I hope you can do this. Next, write the successor of each. Write the successor of each. Okay, successor means what? Successor means just success. Just success means just one digit of double. Suppose I am asking the successor of 2. What you say? Simple. 2 plus 1, 3. Just you add 1. Just you add 1. I am asking what is the successor of 49. You say 49 plus 1, 50. I am asking what is the successor of 100. You simply say 101. Why? Just we add only 1. Here you also add only 1. After adding 1, what you will get? You will get 146,590. 89 plus 1, how much? 90. You write 1, 4, 6. Okay, there is a lack of space. I am writing here 1, 4, 6, 5, 9, 0. Okay, similarly it's you write 92,47,800 because 799 you add plus 1, it becomes 800. Similarly this you write here 91, you write here 90,000. Okay, 92,90,000. In this way you can do these all parts, I think. Next, predation. Predation means just only one digit before. One digit before means just only one value backside. Means if I am asking what is the predation of 2, so you simply say predation of 2 means 1. Predation of 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Predation of 50, 50 minus 1 equals to 49. Okay, simple. We write here its predation. We subtract here minus 1. When you subtract it minus 1, you will get 3, 6, 4, 7, 8, 2, 9. Okay, similarly here if you want to write its predation, you have to again do minus 1. After subtracting minus 1, you will get 1, 4, 8, 9, 8, and 1, 9, 9. I hope the remaining part you can do very easily. Thank you, class.